Okay, I was just doing my own thing out here, and well, I kind of got involved in pulling up these potatoes, the baby reds and the Yukons, and well, I guess I am committed. So, and never mind the icky hair, because I promise I will take a shower tonight. But I just want to show you what I'm up to. I'm finding all kinds of huge potatoes, and there's also russets in here that I didn't plant, and I mean, they are humongous. This is what I got so far. This bag of reds and Yukons, and look at, I mean, this is my hand, and that is huge for something I did not plant. It's in the wrong area. I already harvested these, but yeah, I think we're having baked potato tonight. I mean, it is so fun when you lift up the shovel and all of a sudden you see, look at that, huge for a red. I see another one in there that I need to take out. Okay, let's get those gloves on. Let's see if that works. I should put my hair in a ponytail too, but I just want to get this done. There's some potato seeds. I'll just leave those in. That's how I get potatoes that I don't plant. I just leave things in the year before. We're good. Oh my gosh, okay. But yeah. Okay. Wow. Okay. There's a baby one. We'll leave that in there. Nice and buried. Okay. Oh my word. Okay. I'll show you. They're in there. One there, one there, one there. Yeah. What are you doing, sweet pea? Huh? Just chilling? Sunbathing? Such a good girl. Oh, someone just got in a squirrely mess out there on the road. You're beautiful. Huh. It's got a head. Looks like an ant. What, darling? Oh, I see the stick. Let's pull it up. Well, after I get this little guy. Okay. Okay, got the vine up. and they fell off. Oh, that's a decent one. I like them smaller though. Okay. Okay. It's getting a little too full here. I'm gonna grab another one. Okay, just that little bit. You can see all those? Wow. Fun. It's amazing what nature does. Look at that. That's awesome. Okay. Come on. You can do it. All right. Here's some more. And another and another. And there's a little guy. We'll just keep him in there for next year. There's one. Just trying to get the corner here. There's, okay. If you remember right, we planted these back in March. And while everybody else has harvested their potatoes, I let mine go because they just weren't ready with our climate. And here we are. It is now September. Okay, we got several stalks here. Okay. Yukon. Okay. That's connected. Let's do the middle just to make sure before I go to the other corner. Yeah, I think I got all this. Okay. party. I wish I could make a party of this. Maybe next year. It's always fun to watch people on YouTube get the whole family together and start harvesting. I love watching that. No, you can't have it, little girl. No chickens allowed. Oh, seed potato. Did I just see one? I saw red. Thought I saw red. Okay, never mind. Okay. This is actually a cherry tree that grew. Get rid of that. Maybe it wasn't a cherry tree. I found some walnut shells. Yeah, I don't want a tree in my garden though. I only have so much room. Okay, we got one more section. Maybe a couple shovels. Aha. That's connected too. Hey, almost done. Okay, I think we're done. I'm going to have to get the third bag. There's another russet, another russet. My husband will be happy. Okay. Yep, we got it in 2 bags. Now I just gotta figure out what winter crop I'm gonna put in here.